Hello guys, welcome to my channel Neatcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to convert PDF in Google Docs or how you can open your PDF file in Google Docs. So I'm going to show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me show you. Okay. So first, come to your Google Drive. Okay, just come to your Google Drive and open with your account. Log in with your account. Now if you have already PDF file in Google Docs, so just find your PDF file from here. Okay, I just filter for PDF, then all PDF file will be open here when I filter it. Or you can also upload PDF file from here. Just go to the new and go to the PDF file and open PDF file from here computer, so it will be upload here, then you can open it. Okay, so just go here. Okay, cancel it, just click on new and go to the upload file, and you have to upload your PDF file in Google Drive, and then you have to follow the steps. After upload, just open this PDF file, so it's will open like this. Now you have to navigate your cursor on top in middle, and you will see the option called open with. Just you have to click on it, and here you can see the open with Google Docs. Just click on it, so you can see this PDF file will be open in Google Docs. So yeah, you can see this is new file created, and you can rename it. If you want to rename, you can rename it. Okay, just rename PDF2, and it is converted in docs now. So now you can share here, or you can also download this file as a Word document to your computer. Okay, just go to the download and download as a Word document, or you can also download as a PDF file if you want. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.